In this video, we'll give you an overview of YouTube Music. In the Home tab, you'll find customized stations and recommendations. If you navigate to Hot List, you can find featured music and what's currently popular on YouTube. You can also navigate to the Library tab, where you'll see all of the songs, playlists, and albums that you've added to your library. To start listening, navigate back to the Home tab. Now, click on a playlist. When you pick a song, it will start playing. When you tap this menu icon, you'll see a few more options, like how to save a song, create a radio station based off of that song, or how to share a song with your friends. If you'd like to navigate around the app while you're listening to a song, just swipe down. If you'd like to learn more about YouTube Music Premium, which includes features like ad-free music and downloading, check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.